So we're going to continue to use that number formatting style. Click inside of cell B12, hold your mouse down and drag to B16. And we're going to go to the number formatting group again, click on accounting number format. We're going to do the same thing for the next group of numbers. Click inside of cell B20 and then drag down to B24, go into the numbers group. And the last thing we're going to do is in cell B28 and we're going to drag down to B32. And we're going to go to the numbers group again. So now you see that our numbers have been formatted without us having to type in the dollar signs and the decimals. So it makes it easier for our numbers to be automatically formatted. Next, let's click inside of cell C9 or C10. We want to find the average cost of the tables. So click inside of cell C10. On the Home tab, we're going to find the button that says Auto Sum, and we're going to click the drop-down arrow. We're going to find the word that says average, just like how it says right above our cell. So click average. Whenever we use a function, it starts with an equal sign and then tells us what the type of calculation it's going to do, which is the function. And then we have to find the cells or select the cells or our range that are going to be included in the function. So we're going to click inside of cell B4, hold your mouse down, and we're going to drag down to cell B8. Okay, and so now you should be able to see the function equal sign average B4 colon B8, close parentheses, and then you can push enter. Good, and so you should see the average cost of the tables. Next, we're going to find the function we're going to find the table that's most expensive. So click inside cell D10, go back up to auto sum. This time we're looking for max, which is the most expensive. So notice how our function is started. We have to make sure that we select the correct range. Click inside of cell B4, drag down to cell B8, push enter. Next, we're going to click inside of cell E10 and we're going to find the least expensive. So we're going to look for the minimum. Click the drop down next to auto sum and we're going to find min. Click inside of cell B4, drag your mouse down and we're going to drag all the way to B8. So you can see equal sign, min, B4, colon, B8, and then you can push enter or you can click on the check mark to accept the changes. And so now you can see the average, the maximum, and the minimum cost for tables. Now you try to find the average maximum for the other sections. Average, select the correct range, push enter. We're going to find the maximum here. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. This should be maximum. I pushed too fast. So maximum, select, enter. Find the least expensive, drop down, min, select your range. Use that same pattern. Okay, so we're going to click inside of cell C26. And then the last section, average, find your range, enter. Max, find your range. Oops. Let me try that one more time. And the last one is minimum. Select minimum. Find your range. And then push enter. And so now we've been able to quickly find our calculations of the average, max, and min by using functions from the AutoSum drop-down arrow. So the important thing to remember is find the name of your function, select your range, and then push enter.